Hello, good morning, everyone. Thank you all for joining us again. This is Market Formula, and today I'll be recording a video on the market update of the Nigerian stocks market. Very sorry for poor connection these days. So, due to that, I'll be recording videos and I'll upload. In case you have any comment, you have any suggestion, you can put them in the comment section. So we start by looking at the whole share index of the Nigerian stock market. Or share index. Let's see what the index did last week and see what the expectations are in the coming week. And as you can see, we are currently at that support, the same support that we were last week. We are still in that support, and it's a confluence of support. Actually, the trend line is broken. CCI is crossed to the negative side. I can see that we are currently at minus 81, and you can see for 3 weeks now it's been a very small candle. 1 2 3. The first candle, these are just indecision at a support. So there are two things that are likely in this coming week. Is either the market comes suddenly down to this level of 40,000 or bounces up. But we have had 3 weeks of indecision at this particular confluence of support. So that is the index. So let's start. I will just quickly run through the recommendations by this trading view, the platform that we use for charting. Let's start by looking at the ratings, the technical ratings. So let me start by looking at the strong buy. Technical rating, let's check the strong buy. Let's look at the list of stocks that we have that trading view is recommending as strong buy. We have ET Transact, which is okay. Yesterday it gained 9%. The price is 30. The price is 3 naira 50 kobo. It's a strong buy. So let's see what the chart looks like. Okay, as you can see, this is overbought. I don't think there is any entry around that side. Let's look at. So let's see how far it can go. Let's see how far it can go. Okay, we are currently facing a resistance at 1.6. That's 1.618 extension. 1.618 extension. So if there is a break, we are going to 2.618. But from what I'm looking at, the momentum is so strong. This thing is not yet coming down. It's most likely the coming week it will still go up, but there's no opportunity for a fresh entry. So let's look at another one. We have Unity Bank. So Unity Bank is just moving out of from a downtrend. Look at this support. This support held strongly, and CCI is crossing above 50. So what do I expect in the coming week? The way it is now, this candle is so big. So if you can get an entry around 50% retracement of this, because this move can get to somewhere around 80 kobo. Can get to somewhere around 80 kobo, which is also there's a resistance around there. This zone is a strong resistance, and this is another extension. So at first we get to 64 kobo. This big bull should be able to push it to this level in the coming week. Then we'll now see what. Okay, let's look at this. This doesn't really have much data for technical analysis. But last week when I was looking at it, I knew it's going up. Why did I say so? You can see the first week was up, second week was down. So that's a rejection. The third week it was silent, which is a doji. Then the fourth week we had something like price rejection. Price went down and it quickly come back up and became a bull. The following week, price came down again and went back up and became another bullish pin bar, which the close is higher than the previous close. I already knew that this candle is going up. That's about that stock. Let's look at another one. NACO. Okay. What do I expect in this stock? If you can get it around 5 naira 20 kobo, 5 naira 20 kobo, that's a good entry for this particular stock. 5 naira 20 kobo. You still can still get entry. NGX group. Oh, NGX group. Let's look at what this is also saying. This channel is broken. Another channel broken. Okay. All right. Let me draw my Fibonacci. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this would have been a very good entry at 13 naira thereabout. But from what I'm looking at, it's still going up. You can get to somewhere around here, 24 naira, or this level. This is the next level is facing 22 naira 98 kobo. Then the next level is 24 naira 92 kobo. So when it breaks here, then we can now extend higher. Let's look at, okay, that is just all 1 2 3 4 5 stocks that is rated strong buy. Let's come to the buy. Let's look at the stocks that are rated by FCMB. Oh, FCMB. Your entry should have been somewhere around here, around 3 naira. That would have been the best entry for this particular stock, around 3 naira. I don't expect this thing to come as low as here anymore. Let's see what is happening. This level is proving stubborn. Okay, let's see what will happen coming week. So that is what I expect. Agency Alliance. Wow, this is just coming out of a down trend. Okay, let me quickly draw from here to here. Wow, you can see how this level worked out so well. This is double pin bar with a higher high. If you can get it around, let's say 25 kobo, I don't know if it can get to this level anymore. If you should come down this far, wow, this is handle is forming a cup, so this thing can get to somewhere around here. Hopefully, let's say 35 kobo. But mind you, we have broken the trend. This is my trend, moving average trend is already broken. So this is a break. Let's wait for a retest around here, around 35 kobo. What be? Wow, look at this. Look at this. Oh my. Okay, so from here to here, we are currently facing extension. This should have been the best entry around 44 kobo. If this price can come this low, but I don't know if it will come that low. So if you can get it from the low of last 2 weeks, which is 46 kobo. So if we can pick it at that price, let's see if we can get to 63 kobo. And CCI, the momentum is still intact. So let's look at another one, UCAP. Okay, UCAP. Wow, this is a very long trend. This is a very long trend. Let's see. Okay. This is a very long trend. Look at this level. So if you can get it around 9 naira 29 kobo, 9 naira 29 kobo is a good entry for the stock. UBA. Okay. Oh my God, this support is holding. This support is holding. It would have been a very good entry around 6 naira 81 kobo. 6 naira 81 kobo would have been the very good entry. So if price come that low, then you can take it to a push to somewhere around 8 naira. Boa cement. Okay, look at this reaction. This reaction is going up. Look at where we have our entry the other time. So let's come and do and wait if you can get discount. From the look of things, this is firing up. This is firing up. Okay. Wow. If you can get it around somewhere around here, 59 naira. Transcorp. Oh, this Transcorp is a very good one. I expect a bounce. I expect a bounce. Let me remove all this. I expect a bounce. This is not likely anymore. This week was a rejection, then price came and consolidated around the low of this week and is pushing up. So I expect a bounce in the coming week. CCI is below 0. So I still am positive. This is a very good entry at this price. If you can get it around 1 naira 5 kobo, that is a good entry. Fidelity. Oh, Fidelity is already overbought. There's no if you can get here, I don't know, but the way it is already broken out. There might be a retest, but CCI is still above 50. We are currently at 159. So it's a strong move, it's a strong momentum move. 52 weeks range is almost getting to the top of the 52 weeks range. So I expect some pullback in that stock. Okay, this is another stock that I am looking at. This trend line is already broken. There's a close above it. So I'm looking at in the coming week, if there is a follow through. This week was silent, which is a doji. We have 2 bullish week, a strong bull, which is bigger than almost all this one, then followed by a doji. So in the coming week, I expect a follow through or a pullback. If there is a pullback, you can buy around 27 kobo. You can buy around 27 kobo. Mind you, the trend is already broken. We are currently below this moving average. So anytime we are below this moving average, we are always very careful. I will have much more confidence buying here than buying below the moving average. So, but it's also an opportunity. So if you have it, you can hold it till somewhere around 41 kobo. But if you want a fresh entry at current price is still okay, but if you can get it at a cheaper price, somewhere around 28 kobo or thereabouts, should be a better entry. So let's see. Okay, I like this too. This is mutual benefit. Mind you, the trend is broken. Let's see with our Fibonacci. I'll tell you this is okay. It's weak. It's weak. If we can get it somewhere around 25 kobo. But there are rejection around here. This is a mixed signal. It's a mixed signal. But if you can get it around the low of last week, 26 kobo, that would be a good entry. Adova. Okay. Adova is ready for a push. I think we've analyzed this before. That's why I have this entry here. So this is a very, very good entry. And you can see we can get a push up to somewhere around here, which is around 16 naira 64 kobo. Limit. Okay. Let me use another Fibonacci retracement levels. The trend is broken. We are still below this trend line. Still below this trend line. So, and this is a support which is trying to hold. Then we can have a triangle formation here, around here. That's a triangle formation. So, if in the coming week there is a breakout, then we can expose this level. The market can expose this level of 1 naira 79 kobo around this level. Then if there is a break of this 1 naira, there is a break of 1 naira 90 kobo to expose this level, which is 2 naira 17 kobo. A break will also expose this level, which is at 2 naira 61 kobo. Dangote sugar. Okay, Dangote sugar, I think price is still struggling around the support. You can see the trend line. Let me redraw this, my trend line. Okay, let me redraw my trend line. So it should be somewhere here. Then there is another descending one. Where is it facing? Triangle. But from here, we've been in a range. If you can get this around 15 naira 59 kobo, CC high is above 50. It's at 53. So I think if there is enough push, this will break out and we will expose the first level 17 naira 11 kobo. If you are able to break 17 naira 90, 17 naira 89 kobo. I don't know about this stock. Let me just quickly do the analysis. Okay. Don't know about this stock. Let me not talk about it. First Bank. I think First Bank is prepared for another bullish run. Looking at what is happening, there is a sudden drop which hit this moving average, went back up, and market started consolidating. And at that same moving average, we've had two pin bars. The first one is here. The second one, which is a bullish pin bar, the last week came lower, tested a lower price, and went higher. This is a liquidity grab at this level. So in the coming week, I expect a follow through. In the coming weeks, I expect follow through. My fear is only that CCI is still below -50, which might mean that price might still retrace. But from this candlestick that I'm looking at, this one that came out last week, First Bank is ready for another bullish run. So let's hope that it will get to 10 naira 89 kobo, and a break we get to 11 naira 55 kobo. A break we also can expose 12 naira 47 kobo. And if there is a breakout, we are facing 15 naira. But this is the best entry for this stock. 9 naira 25 kobo. 25 kobo. All right, let me look at the next one. The IP. Which stock is this? Let's look at another one. Freepool. Oh, okay. Let's analyze this. Done my Fibonacci. Okay, we are currently at the strong support level that I expect should hold price. So if you can get it around another, my fear is now that it has broken this moving average, and CCI has stayed below -50 for long. So what I expect, if we can get it around here, 44 naira 51 kobo. I don't really trust this pattern. There's a break. There's going to be a retest at this level, 5 naira 50 kobo. So it is the reaction at this 5 naira 50 kobo that will give us a signal, a clear signal of the direction the market is heading. This particular stock is heading. That's our African Prudential Registrar. So, but I will 4 naira 54 kobo around that price. Living trust. This is overbought. This is overbought. Let me see. It's going up. This is overbought. It's still going up. Look at where we have entered around this level, this level, this level. Look at the trend. Went up nicely. That's overbought. I don't know this. Let's look at another one. Haiku. Okay, Haiku 2 is currently at the support. Let's see what could happen at this level. But last week was not encouraging. It was not strong enough. It was not strong enough. There was even a retracement. There is a retracement on this bullish candle. Price rejection. Okay. You can get it around 49 kobo. 49 kobo. Yeah, 49 kobo. This trend line, we are still, this thing might not come to 49 kobo. What I will advise, if you can just buy a portion of your holding at this price, and let's hope if it comes down lower, let's hope that it will push higher. But if it comes down lower, you can come and buy at 4 naira 49 kobo. Champions. Oh, Champions Brewery. You can see what is happening at this level. Previous week, pin bar. This week is a candle with a big body. I was thinking it will hit somewhere around here, but from the look of things, this might not happen. This might not happen. At least in the meantime, if we get it around 3 naira 15 kobo, That's called Hotel. Okay. Market has been silent for a couple of weeks. If you get it around 5 naira, thereabout this zone, you can pick it up. GSK. Okay. Okay. Let's see. We get it around 5 naira. MPF. Okay, MPF currently at the support. Okay. This candle is weak. We can get it around 1 naira 45 cup. Or peak. Okay. Broken trend. And you can see this level is holding. So why this CCI is too low. CCI is too low. So if you can get it around 31 kobo. Okay. Look at what is about to happen. See this rejection at this level. So let me draw it. I was thinking it will bounce around here, but that was not true. Okay. Okay. Wow, this level. Best entry can get it around 78 kobo. Or better still, at 72 kobo. Okay, I think that would be all for today. And mind you, let me say this as a disclaimer. This is just this is not an investment advice. So I will advise you to do your due diligence before committing your hard-earned money to this market. I wish you all a very lovely weekend. Bye for now.